I know y'all looking like, what the hell is on your head? Why your head look like that? But I cut my hair probably like a week or two ago. My hair, I cut it all myself. I didn't go to a professional to do it or anything. I've only had my ends clipped like twice. One time I had got my hair cut like 2 or 3 years ago, and then I'm just not getting it cut again by myself. But my hair, it looks all even. It was a lot shorter than this. If I could pull up like the before and after picture, I will post it down here. I mean, just about everything. Like you see, like the back of my hair always grows out longer than my hair, but it's like so many flyaways, you know, like unnecessary length. But this is how the other side looks. Very short, but this is how my hair looks. Y'all can laugh, get your little laughs in. Bald-headed chicken head girl. That's okay, because I'm okay that I'm a bald-headed chicken head girl. Chicken heads. But we're gonna go on this process as far as my hair. I'm not a natural hair person because I just don't like to be natural, but that's just me. But I do keep my hair oiled, but I just today bought some grease that I know for a fact is going to get my hair going the way that I want it to be, because my hair keeps growing out. As you can see, look at that, more flyaways. I have to cut that off, but that's the reason why I cut a lot of my hair off. Like, so much of my hair grows like this, where my hair will be so thick down here, but then it'll be these long pieces, like long pieces of hair. The back of my hair has always been like that. And like, y'all see how short it is? Look at how short it is now. I went through and I blow dried it, and then I had brushed it out. Like, I brush it and blow dry at the same time. Now I have a big headache because of this nappy hair. Me and my boyfriend, we was just brushing and blow drying my hair out, trying to stretch it so that I could braid it. So today this video is gonna be about me braiding. So I'm gonna braid straight to the back. Usually I part my hair down the middle and I put one braid here, and then like a couple braids going to the back. That's usually how I do it, but I have a new wig coming, so I'm trying to get ready for this wig, so it should be coming sometime this week. If not, you guys, y'all gonna know, y'all gonna hear from me. Like, I'm gonna go ham because it's a long story, but we're gonna get into that. But this is how my hair looks. And then look at that long flyaway. That's always how my hair grows out, like that. Long flyaway. But yeah. I got like my little mini fro, which is fine. I mean, I ain't ashamed to show my hair, baby, because I know I'm cute when I get it done. But I'm gonna braid my hair straight to the back. I'm just trying to show y'all how you can actually do that, because I learned on my own. They're not gonna be perfect braids, you guys, because I'm not a stylist. I just taught myself how to braid my own hair. But yeah, so we're gonna get into that. Hair food. Blue Magic hair food. This is the vitamin E. Is with wheat oil. Wheat germ oil and coconut oil. Coconut oil is always good. I just feel like it's really good to mix the oils together instead of just using this one oil. But yeah, so that's just this. What I'm gonna grease my scalp with. Using this for my wigs. It's anti-itch oil and it's good for breakage as well. And this is by Do Grow. I wash my hair in this as well. In the Do Grow product itself, I use Do Grow shampoo, conditioner, and then I also do Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner from time to time. But this is the one I've been using for the past like 3 months. I've been using their product. But yeah, so we're gonna get started, you guys. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and go and share it. Don't be afraid to share it, baby, because we're going on a journey, okay? I know I'm a little bald-headed girl, but we gonna get this hair right. But bye. That touchdown edge control, we gotta keep those edges right. Ooh, we cannot forget our edge brush or our comb. And yeah. Little bitty clip, honey, to hold this little bitty hair. Now right here, grab y'all 3 pieces. Just grab 3 pieces of hair and go ahead and get the braid in there. Now right here, I had to redo it because baby, my hair was a little bit too short, and yeah. Okay, your girl thought she did something. I ain't no stylist now. I ain't no stylist. Sorry, y'all. I had got hella hot, so I had to go change and put on my spaghetti strap. So I went to go change, and I had to go take a pain pill because your girl is like, head is on 10, okay? And then braiding it, that's why I can't get these like cool. I'm gonna go back over them and fix them, but right now I'm kind of trying to do the video and then go and lay down because my head is hurting. But I'm doing this for you guys, you know, keeping it glamorous. Because I mean, you're gonna braid your hair all the way to the back. Your hair is gonna go straight to the back because I'm getting a frontal wig. So my wig is ear to ear lace. So this would be perfect for a frontal wig. So yeah, keep watching, you guys. I know y'all like, girl, look at them elbows. They so clean and not even dirty. I realized I was hurting my own head. Like, my head was banging. I know y'all looking like, I know you didn't just take down all those braids. Like, yes, I did. I wanted them to be smaller. So smaller, here we come. I know that y'all noticing that I'm chewing, which I'm not chewing on no gum, baby. It's just, I just get nervous and I chew the inside of my cheeks. So don't judge me. Yes, I'm using the end of a dye brush. Don't judge me. I left my comb, like my real good comb, at my sister's house. Yes, parting down the middle will help y'all now. You know, make sure both sides are even. Can't forget to gloss up now. I'm putting on my paper wrap now so that I can give me a good night's rest, and I'm going to put on my bonnet as well. Glamming, stay glamming for the glamorous, all the flaws outside.